Hey there, my name is Chand and I am the author of this course, and thanks for taking this course. Here is a very short and simple message for you. Basically, we were into Java technology, and you must have seen my courses. These are based on Java technology like Java, JSP, JSF, Spring Boot, RESTful API, and whatnot. But now finally we have also started with AI related courses like machine learning, deep learning, NLP, etc. And we just pre-launched one machine learning course, but we are building it fast and we will be releasing more machine learning based course. So this is a short and simple message in order to tell you that yes, we have finally entered the world of AI with Python and machine learning, and do check out our courses and do feel free to give your feedback, suggest us that how we can improve on our existing courses and how we can further make the future courses even better. So do check it out. And if you are unable to find or you are facing any difficulty to find our AI related courses, let us know and we will help it out. Thanks and see you soon. Bye.